Hello everybody, this video is regarding datasets which we can pull out to do our work for Power BI and other analytics tools. You might be using different datasets from different websites. You can share it and comment it below so that it will be helpful for everyone. So in this video, we are going to see around 7 datasets, or you can say it as 7 websites where we can pull down the datasets for us to analyze, and we can take decisions using those data. So the first one you're going to get it is from the Power BI site itself. In the Power BI website, Microsoft website, we are having a page called Create Reports and Sample Datasets. So they have given some sample datasets. You can go to this page, documentmicrosoft.com, and Power BI Create Reports Sample Datasets. You can search as Sample Datasets Power BI Microsoft, and you will be getting this page. And here we will be getting some datasets as well as PBIX files where you can play around with the data, and lots of options are there, lots of different datasets are there. You can see the samples, this much of samples are there, and you can download the PDF also. Of course, you can get the PBIX file down this page also. So this is the first one which can be default of everybody can use that, because a Power BI developer can obviously get this datasets and do his work. The second one, of course, it is the hit dataset that everybody knows, that is from Kaggle. So if you go to kaggle.com and if you go to the link datasets, you will lots and lots of datasets here, and you can get use of those datasets. You will be getting it in CSV file, and you can use that datasets in all kinds of analytics. So these two obviously everybody knows. The third one we'll be seeing is from Data World. You can go to Data World and you can go to the datasets link and get the open data, or get the world data also. If you go to the open data, you'll be getting lots of topics. From these topics, you can get the datasets. Sometimes you might be asked to log into the web page, but still you will be getting the datasets for all these. The fourth one we are going to see is from the London dataset, and it is from the website called data.london.gov.in.uk. And obviously this is a government website from London, and we'll be getting all the dataset in different formats like spreadsheets, PDF, CSV website, and zip file. Zip file you can unzip it, and it will be CSV file, spreadsheet file. So you can get use of all these things, because these data sets won't be like a dummy data sets. These data sets will be the real-time data sets, and you can use it. Of course, it will be an archived one, you can use it. And the next one, it's Maven data set, where you can go to the Maven analytics and you can go to the data playground, where you will be getting lots of sets here. You can search and you can find a lots of data sets here. Airline passenger satisfaction, all these data sets are very useful. RPM analysts for all these analytics, it will be very useful, and you can use this data set also. The next one is Crow. Here, one good thing is that you can create your own data set, and see here you can give the field name, you can give the data type, and you can give the options blank or non-blank, and you can create your own data set. And also dummy data sets are, you can use this one nicely. So this is the sixth data set we are seeing. The seventh one and the last one we are going to see right now is the Microsoft data set itself. It is the most popular data set: Adventures Work, Northwind, Worldwide Importers, etc. These four data sets, you can get it, the lightweight data set as well as the data warehousing data set. You can get it in this Microsoft GitHub. You can go to the GitHub Microsoft, and you can go to the samples of this SQL Server samples, and you will be getting the database for it. Of course, this won't be an Excel or CSV. This will be SQL Server database. Same way, another school database is also from Microsoft is there, and you can search it and you can find it. And that is a small database. You can, if you don't want to use complex databases, you can download that school database and you can use it. And if you know any other data source or database where you can find a good data set, like very lengthy data sets, kindly comment it below so that everybody can use that, and everybody will be able to analyze their big data sets from these sites. Hope this will be useful for you. Have a nice day.